Most men wake up and immediately destroy their testosterone levels, and they don't even realize it. It's not about what you eat nor how much you work out. It's something you do or fail to do within the first 10 minutes of your day. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple 3-minute habit that primes your body for higher testosterone, better mood, and unstoppable energy. And it's backed by science. Testosterone isn't just about building muscle. It's the hormone that drives focus, motivation, confidence, and energy. Low testosterone, brain fog, irritability, lack of drive, stubborn belly fat. Most men start to lose testosterone naturally after age 25, at a rate of 1% per year, but your daily habits can speed this up or slow it down. Research shows lifestyle changes can increase testosterone naturally by 20 to 30%, without drugs or supplements. Many men wake up and go straight for coffee, their phone, or laptop. This instantly spikes cortisol, the stress hormone that suppresses testosterone production. Your brain gets the wrong signal. It thinks it's under stress before the day even starts. The fix? You need to give your body a natural wake-up signal that tells your hormones it's time to perform. Right after waking up, step outside. Let natural sunlight hit your skin and eyes. No sunglasses. Stand, walk, or stretch in the light for 3 to 5 minutes. This sends a signal from your retina to your brain's hypothalamus, triggering your pituitary gland to release luteinizing hormone, the hormone that tells your testes to produce testosterone. A 2017 study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that men exposed to early morning light had significantly higher testosterone levels compared to men who didn't. Sunlight also boosts vitamin D, which is directly linked to healthy testosterone production. Even in cloudy weather, natural light is 100 to 1,000 times brighter than indoor lighting. Still enough to trigger the hormonal response. Combine this habit with deep nasal breathing during those 3 minutes to lower cortisol faster. Avoid caffeine for at least 60 minutes after waking. Let your body's natural cortisol awakening response kick in first. Stay consistent. Your hormone system responds best to regular signals. If you want sharper focus, higher energy, and stronger performance, start with this habit tomorrow morning. Try it for 7 days and let me know in the comments what changes you notice. And if you want more science-backed men's health tips, subscribe to AlphaClarity and turn on notifications, because we're just getting started.